Welcome to study panel. This is Devendra Sijala from Kendriya Vidyalaya Rajkot. In today's class, we shall start a new chapter of second maths, and the name of the chapter is My Fun Day. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the days of a week. Let us start it with the poem. Let us recite the poem. Now, here we are going to recite the poem. You can also repeat it after me. One day, Monday, went to Tuesday, to see Wednesday, and asked Thursday, to tell Friday, and also Saturday, that Sunday is fun day. See, in this poem, we can see the days of week are given. So we have to remember these. There are total 7 days in a week. It comes in order from Monday to Sunday, and Sunday is known as fun day. Why? Because on Sunday we are having a holiday and we have a lot of fun. So Sunday is also called fun day. Now, days of a week. From the poem, we can say that the first day of a week is Monday, second day is Tuesday, third day is Wednesday, fourth day is Thursday, fifth is Friday, sixth is Saturday, and seventh is Sunday. So these, the name of the days, we have to remember in these order from Monday to Sunday. Monday is the first day and Sunday is the last day of the week. Now, is Sunday a fun day for you? Of course. Sunday is always fun day for all students, all children, for all kids. Why? Because Sunday is a fun day or Sunday is a holiday. Now, we'll find out some answers on the basis of these days of a week. Monday is happy to be the first day of the week. Now you tell. See, Monday is a first day of the week. Now we have to give answers of A, B, C, D from this order. Let us see. The third day of the week. Here we can see this is the third day of the week. It is Wednesday or Wednesday. Fifth day of the week. This is fifth day of the week. It is Friday. The second day of the week is, this is the second day of the week, Tuesday. The last day of the week is, this is the last day of the week and it is Sunday. So, likewise, you can also write these answers in your notebook. Now, see this, by keeping in mind these order, we will also find out the answer for these A to G blanks. Let us find it out. Which day will come after Sunday? So this is Sunday, and after Sunday, that is Monday. Before Sunday, say this is Sunday, and before Sunday is Saturday. After Wednesday, this is Wednesday, and after Wednesday is Thursday. Before Wednesday or Wednesday, before Wednesday, it is Tuesday. 2 days after Sunday, this is Sunday, and 2 days, this is first day, this is second day, and that is Wednesday. Means 2 days after Sunday is Wednesday. 4 days after Wednesday, see, this is Wednesday, and 4 days after that Wednesday, let us see. First is Thursday, second is Friday, third is Saturday, fourth is Sunday. So after 4 days, it will be Monday. So 4 days after Wednesday is Monday. 7 days after Monday. See, this is Monday. So 7 days. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again 7. So after 7 days, it is Tuesday. Now, which day do you like the most? Why? See, you can also answer in the comment section. Which day do you like the most? Why? That is always I like Sunday because Sunday is a fun day and Sunday is a holiday. What is the day today? See, you have to look into the calendar and you have to find out what is the day today. Today is a Tuesday and the date is 2nd November 2021. Which day was it yesterday? If today is Tuesday, then yesterday was Monday. Which day will it be tomorrow? If today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be Wednesday. Which day will it be? The day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday and the day after tomorrow is Thursday. Now, which day was it? The day before yesterday. Which day was it? The day before yesterday. Yesterday it was Monday, and the day before yesterday was Sunday, and Sunday is a fun day. I hope that you might have enjoyed this video. Please do share it with your friends. Please do like and comment. Thank you. Thank you very much.